This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marlena Martino. Amazing location, spacious open floor plan, filled with natural light, this 3-bedroom house will make you feel like you are home. Located on a beautiful, lush tree-lined street at the end of a cul-de-sac, this is the perfect family sanctuary. Wood-like floors throughout, enormous glassed-in Florida room/porch runs the length of the home, so perfect for entertaining and living the indoor/outdoor lifestyle. Fenced-in yard with tons of green space to run and play with a large crystal-clear refreshing pool, plus an adorable swing set, you will fall in love. Kitchen features white cabinets, granite countertops, all appliances replaced about 5 years ago. Hurricane panels with some impact windows. Minutes away from tons of shops, restaurants, parks, FLL Airport, and Sawgrass Mills. A must-see. For more information, review the details below.